Welcome to the Schedule.so tutorial series. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to create a personal event in Schedule. You'll learn how to set up availability, sync your calendars, configure meeting locations, and share your event link so attendees can book with ease. A personal event in Schedule lets you create a dedicated booking page for one-on-one meetings, consultations, calls, or appointments. You can define how the event works, choose when you are available, control booking rules, customize the booking form, and configure notifications, all in one place. Let's get started. From the left sidebar, go to Event Types. At the top right, click New. Then select Create New Personal Event. This opens the event creation screen, where the setup is divided into 5 sections on the left. Event Setup, Availability, Limits, Advanced Settings, and Notifications. Start in the Event Setup section. Enter your event name at the top. This is the title people will see when they book with you. Then add an event description to explain the purpose of the meeting or give attendees any details they need before booking. Next, review the booking link. This is the unique URL for your event page. You can also change the slug to something relevant, like project meeting, or connect your own domain if needed. Set the duration of the meeting. In this example, the event is set to 30 minutes. Then choose the location for the meeting. Your default meeting location will appear here automatically, but if you have added multiple locations, you can select a different one from the drop-down. You can also click here to add a new location if needed. After that, select the calendar where bookings for this event should be saved. If the calendar you want is not shown in the drop-down, you can also add a new one directly from here. Now move to the Availability section. Here, choose the availability schedule you want this personal event to use. You will also see a preview of the available time slots for each day. If needed, you can also click Add New Availability to create a new schedule directly from here. At the bottom, the time zone is also displayed, making it easier to verify that bookings will follow the correct schedule. If needed, you can click Edit Availability to update working days, unavailable days, or time overrides. Next, open the Limits section. This area helps you control how and when people can book time with you. First, you can set buffer time before the event and buffer time after the event. This is useful if you want breaks between meetings. You can also enable minimum notice. This controls how much advance notice is required before someone can book. For example, if you set it to 30 minutes, users will not be able to book a meeting starting sooner than that. Below that, you can turn on Limit Booking Frequency to control how many times this event can be booked within a day, week, month, or year. You can also enable Limit Total Booking Duration if you want to cap the total amount of time this event can be booked over a selected period. Finally, use Limit Future Bookings to decide how far in advance people are allowed to book. You can either allow bookings only up to a certain number of business days into the future, or set a fixed date range. These settings help you manage your time more effectively and keep your schedule under control. We also have separate videos that explain each limit option in more detail. Now open Advanced Settings. At the top, you will see calendars to check for conflicts. This allows Schedule to check one or more calendars before showing available time slots, helping prevent double bookings. You can add additional calendars here if needed. Next, you can enable Allow Guests if you want attendees to invite other people to the meeting. Under Questions Required, you can simply decide whether each field should be required or optional by using the toggle. You can also enable email verification to ensure the booker provides a valid email address. You can also add custom questions if you want to collect more details from the person booking. In the same section, scroll down to Brand Settings. Here you can upload a social media image for your booking page. Enable Redirect on Booking and add custom brand colors to match your brand style. These options help personalize the booking experience and make your page look more consistent. Next, open the Notification section. This is where you control when and how notifications are sent for this personal event. You can configure notifications for new meeting bookings, cancellations, before the meeting starts, rescheduling, and after the meeting ends. Each notification block can be expanded and customized based on your workflow. You can also create a notification template from here. Once everything is configured, click Save in the top right corner. Your personal event is now created, and your booking link is ready to share. After saving, you can share the event link with clients or anyone else who needs to book time with you. When someone opens your booking link, they will only see the time slots available based on the availability, limits, and conflict settings you have already configured. After selecting a suitable date and time, they will fill in their booking details on the form. Since email verification is enabled, the user will then receive a one-time password, or OTP, on the email address they entered. They must enter that OTP to verify their email before the booking can be completed. Once the email is verified, the appointment is confirmed, added to your selected calendar automatically, and the configured notifications are sent to complete the booking process. That's it. You have successfully created a personal event and schedule. Start booking smarter and stay organized with Schedule.so.